Jeffy gets in dead meat and pulls the fire alarm / grounded.
Okay class, since today is the last day of school, today is behavior card day. If you get gold, you get 5 years off. If you get green, you get 2 years off. If you get blue, you get 1 week off. If you get beige, nothing happens. If you get yellow, you will have a talk after school. And if you get the black card, you will be in dead meat. Anyways, you may come to the smart board to get your cards.
Yes! Me and Dora got the gold card.
That's right, Gabe and Dora, you two have been the best students ever. Go to the principal's office and make him proud.
Yes, I got the green card.
Good job, Boots, you get 2 years off. Go to the principal's office to claim your award.
I got the blue card.
That's right, Molly, you have been good. Go to the principal's office and I will see you next week.
I got the beige card.
Billy, nothing happens to you. So, you may go back to your seat.
Oh no! I got the yellow card.
I'm sorry, Evil Gabe, you were in a little bit of trouble because you brought a game that is rated M for mature on game day. Don't worry, you don't have any detention, just a talk after school. Please go to the principal's office.
Can I please have another change?
Absolutely not, Jeffy. You have been the worst student ever in my class. You have been bullying, swearing, throwing chairs, and more. You are suspended for 3 weeks. Go to the principal's office right now. I am so done with you.
Man, I just don't want to tell Mr. Maddox about this, because if I do, he really doesn't like hot fire. What's that on the wall? Wait a minute, that's a fire alarm. That gives me an idea. I'm going to pull the fire alarm and make a ring go insane.
Hey Jeffy, wait a minute, isn't so still going on right now?
There was a whole fire at school. I made out safely.
Oh really? Let's watch the news.
Hi, and welcome to Meet Homo News. Today, a troublemaking puppet pulled the fire alarm at Beyond Middle School.
Thank you. I am now standing outside the school, which a puppet pulled the fire alarm. I have one person coming to tell us what happened. Would you like to tell us what you know about what happened?
Yes, I would. I was going back to class, but then I heard Jeffy say that he was going to pull the fire alarm, and I saw him pulling the fire alarm. And Jeffy, if you are watching this, the principal has changed your suspension time from 3 weeks to 7 weeks, and you will be doing summer school because I saw you holding a black card.
Thank you, sir. Back to Mr. Geraint.
That's all the time we have for now. Tune in after a short break for more news.
Jeffy, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You know that the pulling the fire alarm when there is no fire can get you arrested. That's it, you are grounded for 9 years, and for your punishment, you will not go to Disney World for your birthday this year. Go to your room right now.